Science has always been wrong. How do we know this? Let's look at the drugs approved by the Food and Drug Administration in America. Companies spend hundreds of millions of dollars researching and testing a drug, doing all these clinical trials, sending this all to the FDA for approval. The FDA looks at all of the science. This is the science, everybody. And the FDA says, we've studied the science. We're following the science. And the science has proven that this drug, Vioxx, is safe. The science says so. It's safe. And it's effective at reducing pain. That's the science. We follow the science. So they approved the drug. A few years later, 200,000 people die that took Vioxx. And in studies, it was determined that, in fact, Vioxx was not safe. And in further study, it was also determined that Vioxx didn't reduce pain any more than a normal Tylenol. So either the FDA lied when they said it was safe and effective, or they're completely incompetent, or they're corrupt. I can tell you from firsthand experience, it's a combination of all three. They lie, they're stupid, and they're corrupt. The point is, you can't believe the science, because every time a scientific study comes out and says, don't eat eggs, it'll raise your cholesterol. The next study comes out and says, it has been proven that eating 4 eggs a day reduces cholesterol. Which science are you going to follow? I remember one of the funniest studies I've ever seen, and it was written up in USA Today, and it said, study proves that sugar consumption has no effect on a child's hyperactivity. And I read that headline and go, that's insane.